up, child. Maybe we'll make pancakes. It's been a while. I hear your song and your little feet running down the stairs now to greet me. Oh, how I love to see your smile, my angel, my sweet one. I remember when you fit in my palm. Oh, rainbow, in these gray days, darling, you deserve a perfect birthday. The day is yours, spread your wings. We could start a family band or climb a tree or stay at home. My favorite thing, we'll cuddle close, a pillow fort and movies like every year, you and me. My angel, my sweet one. I remember when you fit in my palm. A rainbow in these gray days, darling, you deserve a perfect birthday. And you're growing, my sweet thing. Amazing, I'm learning to hold on and let go. My angel, my sweet one. I remember when you were so young. A rainbow in these gray days, darling, you deserve a perfect birthday. Darling, you deserve a happy birthday.